Hello guys, glad to have you back for another session of market analysis. So let's start with Bank Nifty, what we are discussing on Friday. If you have gone through my Friday's video, I was referring to 51,700 levels. If at all Bank Nifty closes below this levels, which is the value area high, and on 30 minutes or 1 hour, there is a good possibility it will go for POC, and there is a good possibility of 51,213. This is what I was saying. But what happened today, if you look at instead of getting accepted on last Tuesday value area, it got accepted inside Friday's value area. So the high in the first 30 minutes is at 51,826, and the previous high has been broken by more than 2 TPOs, and that confirms the acceptance in this value area. Whole value area has been covered, and I was also referring the price itself is overlapping with the previous value. So if at all there is going to be an up move, there will be a strong up move in a single go. So what happened, it has covered the whole value area. There was a more than 100% range extension, and the high itself is at 52,390 levels, which is again a poor high. And Bank Nifty has closed around 52,060 levels. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking, look this single print, whatever is there, 51,890 levels. This is going to give you any intraday opportunity. If at all on any 30 minutes prices closes above this 52,110 suppose, then there is a good possibility it will cover this whole value area, and it will even go for 52,670 levels, which is the value area here. The price itself is overlapping, and this high itself is a mechanical reference. For any kind of down move, watch for again 51,700 levels. So any close below this on 30 minutes, any 30 minutes, there is a good possibility again you will see the PPOC at 51,440 and 51,225 is very much possible. And if you look at on daily time frame, this area needs to be broken for any kind of decisive further up move towards 53,000 or 53,500. So this area you need to watch for closely, 52,750 levels to 52,800 levels. Any clean close above this on daily time frame, we can be confident there could be a further up move. And again, if you look at the previous low at 51,220 levels itself is secure, and today's low itself is higher than the previous low at 51,210, 216 levels. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, Friday's video I was referring to 24,140 levels. For any kind of down move, prices needs to get accepted below these levels. Any acceptance here will likely cover the whole value area and the poor low at 23,980 levels and also 23,890 levels. It has not happened. So if you look at the opening itself is outside the value area of Friday, but then it tested the POC and immediately closed inside the value area, creating an open test drive. So whenever you see this open test drive, then there will be good amount of up move, at least 100% of the open test drive candle. So because of this open test drive, there is an acceptance by breaking the previous high by more than 2 TPOs at 24,230 levels. Then the whole value area has been covered. So again, at the same time, there was a strong buyer of 6.7k on Friday. That buyer came and again he tried to take control of the market, and there is a gap on Friday. So that gap that has been filled today. So these intraday gaps, they get revisited more often. So as the prices is going up today, in the third 30 minutes, what happened is it created multiple gaps. So if you focus here, there is a gap around 24,250 levels. There is a small kind of gap of around 24,265 levels. In these gaps represent the imbalance areas, and most often once the buying momentum is lost, prices tends to revisit this area. So what happened? Nifty tested the single print at 24,436, and it acted as a good resistance. And for any kind of further up, it should have got accepted above this value area, last Wednesday value area at 24,440 levels. So if it would have accepted above these few points, so any acceptance means any 30 minutes it should go inside, and then next 30 minutes has to break that. That we call it as acceptance in market profile. So if it would have got accepted, then there is a good possibility mechanical reference it would have cleared at 24,570 levels, and it would have gone even up to 24,610 levels, but that has not happened. So this value area acted as a good resistance. At the same time, this single print which has not cleared on Friday, it also acted as a resistance. So there was a down move. Now let me tell you again, there are many other indications that there could be a pullback. One thing is this low itself at second and third candle is, we call it as a ledge. These ledges, they get revisited very often. From this ledge area to the 11:15 candle, there is no proper pullback. So that indicates, along with the gap around 24,260 levels which I have shown you, prices strongly made a pullback towards the gap area and towards the ledge area. So again, the buying tail from morning first 30 minutes, it acted as a good support. There are good amount of volume clusters around first 30 minutes that acted as a very good support, and again prices started going up. For tomorrow, look for prices to close below 24,140 levels. If any close below 24,140 levels on 30 minutes, then Nifty might go for 23,970, this poor low, and this poor low at 23,900 levels. So for any kind of further up move, the high itself is at today's high itself is at 24,435. So few points above this, any acceptances, then good possibility you will see this mechanical reference as first target and second target at 24,610 levels. Or there is a possibility of sideway market within today's value area at 24,180 levels to 24,340 levels. So this is with the Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow, you can go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.